body part's name means शरीर के अंगों के नाम. Head mean sir. Head mean sir. Ear means gan. Ear means gan. Nose means knock. Nose means knock. Mouth means moo. Mouth means moo. Tongue means jiba. Tongue means jiba. Teeth means dot. Teeth means dot. Lips means haunt. Lips means haunt. Eyes means aankh. Eyes means aankh. Face means chehra. Face means chehra. Chest means chhati. Chest means chhati. Neck means gardan. Neck means gardan. Shoulder slimens khanda. Shoulder slimens khanda. Arm means baha, bhuja. Arm means baha, bhuja. Hand means hath. Hand means hath. Fist means mutti. Fist means mutti. Leg mean stang. Leg mean stang. Foot means pair. Foot means pair. Hair means bal. Hair means bal. Neck means gardan. Neck means gardan. Nail means nakhun. Nail means nakhun. Fingers means हाथ की अंगुलियां. Fingers means हाथ की अंगुलियां. Stomach means pate. Stomach means pate. Knee means घुटना. Knee means घुटना.